Welcome to another video on my driving robot Mydfir with line following sensor, active sonar, buzzer, color recognition. Well, the buzzer has directly to do with color recognition, as do have these lights, which are also involved with the sonar. Lately, it seems that everything has gone wrong, and as for why, I have no idea yet. Last time I started to re-implement writing data to file, to have an idea what is going on, and whatever I saw that didn't make me very happy, to say the least. So if I go here and I look for data, then you see this. One says I don't see a line, because that has everything to do with this part of the code. No line. If these are 1, there's no line, and you see it doesn't see a line. And if you have watched my if you did watch the previous episode, it was right over a line, so this should have been both 0. Line 1 is one sensor. Actually, line sensor has 2 points, and this is 1 point, this is the other 1 point, and the other, and they and those are used to determine on top of the line, left side, right side, etc. Then color went very odd. There's red, green and blue, and on the blue it says green, or vice versa. Red isn't determined at all. Then active sonar should respond, should drive back. It doesn't do that anymore, so I have no clue what's going on. First thing to do is actually write everything into the file. So apart from this, I need to make sure that everything is in it. And how do I do that? By writing the data into the file from here and here and here. And these are all ifs, so I hope I just can copy everything in here. Is this? No, this isn't. This is. And this I can copy in here. And finally alright, so now everything should be ready to write to file. So let's test if there is any problem with the code. Right, I haven't powered up. Now I did. Let's wait till the power up. go. Alright, and let's see for the data. Sonar, yes, correct. The tripod on which the camera is running is right in front of the first sonar. It says blue, should be black, but it detects something at least. Color 1, okay, but the sonar didn't do anything. So let's see if there's anything else, but right. Obviously nothing. It doesn't see black or white or whatever. So I figure well, this is Python, so when there's a condition not being met, it's not being tested. So that's a bit tricky right now. What I want to do now is actually write just a motor test. So I am going to open another one, say alright, copy, paste, and then set motor 1, yes, that is what I need. So no conditions, just t dot set motor 1 left 1 slowly but surely, and have this sleep for 2 seconds, so it will slowly drive for 2 seconds. Now of course I have to make here a save, so I call this Mydfir motor test .py. Save. Alright, now time to test. Actually I should do it differently because I have 2 motors. Which one is the second motor? 3. Alright, so I am going to extend this code to motor 3, so it drives just back and not turning. Hopefully this will be alright, but I think I should make this right side, but I'll notice soon enough. So camera, and let's see, action. Alright, it does something, but exactly what does it do? Not what I expect. Alright, let me make both left. Camera, test, action. Alright, this is forward, which means that I changed. I should have taken this one, right side. It sleeps for 2 seconds. That means that this side is not responding. it is not doing what it should do. So once again, what does it do? Let me put the camera a bit, no, because I want to see something. Come on. Alright. No, that's not what I want. So I'm doing it once again, taking good care, a good look at this motor. It doesn't do anything at all. Alright. That means that I am first going to check its wiring, because that is obvious that it should work. Now, where does the wiring come from again? Let's see. It comes from, no, it's this wire, which means it's this wire, and yes, that is an obvious fail. It's not even connected. Ouch. So an immediate fix is necessary. Right. Next test. Does it do it now? Yes. So that was the culprit. Okay, both work. Very good. Now I will change this to right and this to left. That should make it run forward. Will it do that? Yes, definitely. Alright, motors work, timing works, alright. Going back to this, so with the motors tested, why don't they respond for the sonar at all? It should run anyway. That is a very, very good question. The only thing that is going to happen is reviewing the code for something. So let's do that. A rather simple way to test it is commenting everything out that is not going to be tested. So piece by piece, and in this case that means that I'm going to test the sonar, and only the sonar, which means that from here to here I will comment everything out. If it lets me. Alright, this is pretty annoying. So format, comment out. Very good. No, not very good. This has to be commented out as well. Now it's alright. this is color, and right now I don't need color. I only need distance, the sonar. So and it should write a bit. That is alright, that should be. I know the motors work. I have tested it by now. Come on, shift a bit. Alright, so this one, and now I should put it a little bit backwards because I want the sonar to, no, I need space for the sonar to drive backwards. So what happens, if anything? Well, that is a very... Alright, stop. It says D2. This will be D2. So that works immediately. Now it has data, so let's review the data file. S1 nothing, S2 11. Alright. How can I make sure that things don't go wrong? Let's move it backwards a bit. And then again it's in the way of the sonar, I'm afraid, but let's do it anyway. Alright, cable of the data link has to go out of the way. It's gone off. Yes, because the wire is out. There it is again. Go. I interrupt because of the distance. Only D2 again. Yes. Why only 2? Is there a problem with the sonar wiring? Because that is right here. Not that I can see. Alright, try again. A little bit further to the camera to start with. Let's go again. This time I'm holding my hands in front of the sonar. Both of the sonars actually. And now it says alright, both of them. That should be reviewed in here. So yes, they both work. Another thing is that, put it close, it should turn when there is only one sonar affected. So let's do that as well. Holding my hand here. What does it do? Alright. It slightly diverges. So what happens when I hold my hand right here at the left side? Doesn't do anything. What's in the data? Only S1. Alright, but it responds. Very important. It does respond. What does that mean for when it doesn't respond? I have to think about this. Alright, so floor test ready to go. Sonar has been tested to be alright. So what I need to do now is disable the sonar. Comment out. And the line following to comment in. This is a 2, so I need this part to be in again. Uncomment. So now everything is commented. Everything is with the line following is working. As you can see here, it is over the line. So let's see how this works out. I'm very curious now. Alright, run. What? Unexpected indentation, really. 79. Ah, really? Why? What did I do wrong here? One, two, three, four. 4. Then this should be 4 as well, but isn't. No. Here we go. Ah, of course. It is within the while. So I need to comment this out, in again, uncomment, then it's in the while, and then it will work. That's the point. Yes. Go. And let's see. Nothing is happening. Absolutely nothing. Let's see for data. Yeah, right. So here we have a problem. The motor is not being engaged at all. On the other hand, it is while. So if I make here a while true, I think that's the best thing to do. Okay, while true, and I will make that here. That should work. Should work, but it doesn't. So why is the motor not working here? Because it stops. It says 1. That's the whole point. It doesn't recognize a line, so it doesn't do anything, which means I have to check for the line sensors. So let's take a look at the line sensors. and this is going here. Where does it go? Where does the yellow go to? Here. It is I2 and I3. Now I3 and I4, which are the, for the line sensors. Am I actually checking for those sensors? Yes, I am. So what's wrong with that? A reseat needed? Possibly. I reseated the connectors in 1 and 2, and it still doesn't work, so I am going to do the diagnosis. Interface over RF data link is what I should have. I am not enabling sonar because it doesn't matter right now. Alright, and I see a clear one for the inputs. That is correct. So, is this a sign that I should actually rewrite it? What if, alright, let's do it differently. What happens when I put it away? So, it's off the track now. Absolutely off the track. And on the track again. So I will take 4 and put it to 5. This may mean that I am doing something entirely wrong in the first place. On the other hand, this always worked back then. This has always worked. So this means that I have to find the reason that the reason why it doesn't work, but also how should the line detection then be wired? That is a very good question, and right now I do not have the answer. I have to find it out pretty quickly. Anyway, with this I know that my software isn't wrong. That's reassurance, but what is right? How to do it right? For now, I think that's it for now. Yes. Thank you for watching. What did I do? Test the motors, nothing wrong with the motors. I tested the sonar, nothing wrong with the sonar. I didn't do colors yet. Line following has to be checked thoroughly. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. See also my website, and if you like to make a small donation to keep my blog going, see also my website. And this is certainly going to be continued. Next time, absolutely line following and colors. Bye bye.